Good morning, grade 4. This is Teacher Shane. I hope everybody is doing good, and we're going to be continuing with our topic last week, your adverbs. We're going to be discussing another type of adverb, which is your frequency. What do you mean by frequency? It tells us how often an action happened. Okay? And frequency is describing your verb and adjectives. There are two types of adverb of frequency that we need to take note of. The first one is your definite frequency, and the second one is your indefinite frequency. Let's start this week in discussing your definite frequency. What do we mean by definite frequency? It gives more exact amount of time. Like for example, yearly, daily, monthly, nightly, and others. Here are some sentence or example sentence that we will be using. I take a bath daily. How often do you take a bath? Daily. Another one, we take a vacation at least annually. How often? Annually. The second one or the second type is your indefinite frequency. What do we mean by it? Indefinite frequency, it gives us a hint without giving the exact amount of time. Examples, you have here sometimes, rarely, occasionally, and a lot more. Here are some sentences for our example. He rarely visits his mother. How often? Rarely. She sometimes cleans her room. How often does she clean her room? Sometimes. There are things that we need to remember in using our adverb of frequency if we're describing adjectives. They are placed right before the adjectives. Here's an example. She is extremely stunning in a purple dress. Extremely is your frequency, stunning is your adjective. Another one, when you're using frequency to describe a verb. It is usually placed after the subject and before the main verb. Example, I am sometimes lazy when it comes to wrapping gifts. And here are some examples of definite and indefinite frequency. That's it for our week 5 grade 4. I hope everybody is still doing good and still safe at their home. If you have any questions, you may contact me. Goodbye, grade 4.